Hello world, here's Biti. This is your weekend update for Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin on this weekend? We will check this together now in this short update. So guys, stay tuned and let's go. Here we are starting with CoinMarketCap, and yes, let's watch. Bitcoin is going up a little bit, 2.14% in 24 hours. But on the 7 days, Bitcoin is going down with 3%. For the moment, we are a little bit under 47,000. Ethereum is going up a little bit more as Bitcoin 6.15%, and in the week it's going down not so much, not so fast as Bitcoin 1.6%. Ethereum is for the moment on a price about 3,961. The Binance coin is going up a little bit in the week, it's going down. The biggest winner in 24 hours is Curve, 21% in the plus. Hedera is going up with 20.7%, and Aave 19.8%. These are the three biggest winners in 24 hours. So the biggest loser is Waves. Waves is going down 7%, Yunus is going down 0.6%, and Helium is also going down with 0.1%. So let's watch what coin is the biggest winner. We can see here, guys, first of all, yes, not so much coins, they are going down, really nice. On 7 days, the biggest winner here, you can see with 41% in the plus. Yearn Finance is going up, really nice. AVAX is going up with 40.89%. And the biggest loser is Near Protocol, 24% minus. BitTorrent going down with 18%, and DCR is going down with 17.13%. So we can see the dominance. Bitcoin dominance is on 40.2%, Ethereum dominance 21.3%. And we have extreme fear in the market. Yes, extreme fear. You can see 24 points today, extreme fear. Yesterday, 23 points. Last week, 16 points. And the last month, we saw a neutral with 54 points. But today, extreme fear in the market. So the Bitcoin price prediction, on the last price predictions, we saw it was not so perfect with CoinCodex, but we will check this also here. You can see we are maybe going down a little bit more, a little bit sideways, but a little bit down maybe on the weekend. Maybe we'll see a price about 45,000. It's possible for the weekend. And maybe we can start with Monday or Tuesday with a next little pump. But I am not so ultra bullish for the moment, guys. I have to tell you this one. I am not so ultra bullish. You will see why here. First of all, we can see we are bullish with 26%. This is really bad. We are bearish with 74%. So 74% is telling us we will go down here. And it's the summary for all indicators and all this stuff here, guys. It's not looking really nice for Bitcoin here. If we are watching what's going on here on the next days, you can see on the next days we are maybe going down a little bit here, 45,000 maybe for December the 20th, and after this maybe we're going up a little bit, 47,000. But on December 24th we will see here a price about maybe 46,600. This is telling us this prediction here for the next days. And if you're watching to the end of the year, it's not looking really nice. We're going sideways, 46,300 maybe. So no, we will not see 300,000, we will not see 100,000. This is telling us this prediction. If we are going down a little bit more, and if we watch the last days here on the prediction, 57,000. This is looking a little bit better. It's the January the 7th, and maybe we'll go up in January a little bit. But for the moment, it's not looking nice. The daily time frame on a summary: sell Bitcoin. On the 4 hour, sell Bitcoin. 2 hour, neutral and a sell for the moving averages. In the 1 hour, neutral as a Switzerland. So you can see here on our TradingView also, we are not ultra bullish for the moment. The next stuff, what's looking really bad, guys, is this one. Here we have the 1 day time frame. And we have this pattern, the falling three methods. The falling three methods is a bearish pattern, a bearish continuation pattern with a high reliability. This is also really bad. So you can see, guys, we have a lot of bad news here for Bitcoin. Sorry for this, but I have to tell it what it is. I can't tell you every day we're going to the moon, guys. I have to tell you if we have a lot of bearish patterns here and a lot of bearish things here also. So guys, sorry for this. Sorry for the bad news. I'm the bad news bringer today. Okay, guys, now let's go with this one. This is the daily time frame. On the daily, we have the Ichimoku. I showed you this yesterday. Or for about 2 days. We have lost our Ichimoku. We lost here the blue line. This is the 9 lengths line. We lost it completely. We had lost the 26 also. And now you can see this is a big resistance for us. We need to fight back this one here. I have one little hope, maybe one little hope, and this is the MACD on the downside, guys. I show you this really soon. For the moment, you can see we have a problem with the blue line here, 48,000. is the Ichimoku, the 9 lengths, and we are under this. It's a big resistance. But guys, one hope here. I have one hope here. This is the MACD on the daily. Look at this. First of all, the sell volume is going back. You can see it here. We are going back with the volume. We see here not so big candles to the downside. And the next thing what we can see, this is here, the blue line is really, really close to the brown line. Really close. That does mean, guys, if we can see here a next cross, maybe today or tomorrow, we may see an upgoing price for Bitcoin. Let's zoom in a little bit more. You can see it. Look at this. We are so close together. These two lines are so close together, and we need now a cross. The blue line must cross the brown line. This would be a bullish stuff, guys. That's the thing what we want to see on the daily. So now let's go in the 1 hour time frame. Today I have a little bit more time, so I will show the weekend update with maybe 10-12 minutes. So the 1 hour time frame. On the downside of the 1 hour time frame, we can see the MACD, and this is bullish for the moment. You can see the blue line is over the brown line, but we are building lower candles here, not higher candles, not dark green. We are building light green candles, and that's not the best thing for the moment. But all in all, yes, we are bullish. The blue line is over the brown line on 1 hour time frame. But guys, we have so much resistance over us, we have to watch. I will show you this one here. Let's remove Ichimoku. It's not necessary on the 1 hour time frame. And let's start this analysis here. So first of all, we are drawing our line, our resistance line from the highest point here to the downside. This is a red resistance line. Okay. The next stuff is, guys, we are making here. No, that's not the right line. Sorry, I have to make it. Yes, from here. This is the bottom line. This is the down line here. This is our big support line. It's a green one. You can see, I showed you this yesterday also. We are now in this, let me tell it, triangle or falling wedge. And you can see we are here in the middle of this. The next thing what we have to watch, sorry guys, is the parallel channel. This one here, this is the downgoing parallel channel. And what we have to watch is the middle line. The middle line is now the big thing. We saw here a lot of fights with the middle line. We lost it here again, and I will show you this one here. It's for the moment the support. So we need to hold the middle line. We need to hold this support on the downside. This would be really important that we can may go up here more and more and make a next leg to the upside, guys. So we need to fight over this and not under this line. Really important, guys. Okay, let's zoom out again and let me show you the next stuff. Let's make the Fibonacci retracement. You know it, guys, highest point, lowest point. Now we have this nice Fibonacci lines and we can watch. The next stuff, if we can move on here to the upside, it's not looking really nice, but why not? The next line is 48,400. That's the Fibonacci line, 0.236. The price is about 48,400. And here on the upside is 52,000. That's the big next target, but it's not necessary to talk about this for the moment. So, okay, we have the Fibonacci lines, we have the resistances here, and you can see, yes, a lot resistance. This red line here on the upside is also a big resistance, and we can make one line also from the highest point to the downside. It's also a red one. And this line is also a resistance, maybe here on 48,400 or maybe a little bit deeper, depends always where we can hit this line. And now, guys, let's check the bar chart, let's check the pivot point, and here's the first resistance point. Let me show you. Here it is. The price is about 48,150. This is the next big resistance. 48,150 is a line about here, from here to here. So, okay, guys, now you can see if we can move on to the upside, we have here mega resistance between 48,000 and 49,000. A lot of resistances here. So it's really hard for Bitcoin. We need a lot of volume to shoot through these resistances like a rocket. But for the moment, it's not looking nice. It's not so a big thing with the volume for them. So now it is not a green, it's a red one. Yes, it's a red parallel channel to the downside. That's right. Now let's check the indicators. RSI on the 1 hour. And you can see here the RSI on the 1 hour is here on about 50 points. Let me check this one here. Yes, first of all, we can make a line from here to here. That's the resistance line. That's a big resistance line. And yes, we are for the moment on 52 or 50 points here, or 40, yes, 52 points. And we have a little space to the upside. So maybe we can go up here to this red line. It's possible. We have a little space to the upside. And if we are watching the same stuff from the downside, we can make a line from here to here. That is our support line, a green one, and that's the next triangle on the RSI. We are here between both lines, but we are here more on the upside as on the downside. So it's possible to go down really fast. Again, guys, it's really possible if you're watching the RSI. The next stuff, let me check, is the ribbon band. That's also really important. We are still on the 1 hour time frame and we are watching the ribbon band. And here it is, guys. Ribbon band is a big fight for them. You can see it. We saw nice candles over the ribbon band, but also bad candles back under the ribbon band. And for the moment, we are fighting here with the ribbon band on the 1 hour time frame over the middle line. So for the moment, it's a little bit bullish if we can stay here on this point. But if we lose this, it's really, really bearish again, guys. You can see the EMA 200 also. The price is about 48,100 to the upside. And yes, we can make here on the 1 hour time frame a little uptrend, a little bullish uptrend. If we lose this uptrend, attention, we may go down really hard, guys. Attention. So this is the 1 hour time frame, 11 minutes. Okay. Last but not least, before we end this video, I will not make it too long, guys. Here's the 4 hour time frame. And you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we are again under the ribbon band. You can see it here. We saw the fight with the last line of the ribbon band, but we are here with the next red one going down again, and we are under the ribbon band. This is not good. On the 4 hour time frame, it's looking not so good. On the 1 hour time frame, it's looking a little bit better. But as long as we are over this green line, I told you this is a nice positive thing. We need to stay over this green line. Okay, if we're going down, we have the next big target, 45,400 maybe here on the downside. 45,500, something about this is a big support area, and we need to stay over this. Guys, now I think you know everything you need to know for the weekend. You have the targets to the downside, you have the targets to the upside. And let me show you one thing, last but not least, we are here still in a big bad downtrend. Remember this if you're trading, the trend is our friend. And the trend is for the moment we are going down in this downtrend on the 4 hour time frame. On the daily time frame or on the weekly, yes, we are in a big uptrend, everything okay. But on the 4 hour, we are also here on the bad downtrend, and we need to break out of this downtrend. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a nice time. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I hope we see us tomorrow for my next update. Bye bye. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.